In today's tutorial, I am going to show you how I went from this to this beautiful boho passion twist for $4 and some change using only 1.5 pack of braiding hair. To achieve this style, I'll be making my very own water wave hair and some loose curly hair for that, boho look, and I'm going to show you how. So to start off, I used 1 pack of expression braiding hair in color 2 and half pack of expression braiding hair in color 1. I then cut the full pack of braiding hair into 2 and mixed it with the half pack of color 1 to achieve a color that's pretty close to my natural hair color. I do have a ton of videos showing you guys how I cut and feather out my braid extensions, and the link will be in the description box down below. So to achieve this DIY water wave hair, you'll need 2 packs of sturdy or strong straws and bobby pins. But because most of you guys complained in my previous tutorial about being able to find like strong straws, I decided to also buy 1 pack of very soft flexible straws just to show you how you can curl your extensions with them if you can't find the strong ones. So to curl the hair, I'm going to take out the small piece of hair like so. Place it about 2 inches away from the beginning of the straw and start twisting the hair around the straw. Once I twist the hair about 4 times, I'm going to bend the excess part of the straw like so. Secure it down with a bobby pin, just to make sure that the hair doesn't unravel, and then continue wrapping the hair until I get to the end. Once I get to the end, I'm going to use the tin, like the tail of the hair, and continue wrapping it around the straw. And doing this will prevent, the hair from unraveling without you having to use a bobby pin at the end. So for our second example, I'm going to be using a pink straw, which is the soft one. So if your straw behaves like this, then this example is for you. To ensure that the straw doesn't bend while twisting the hair, I'm going to insert a barbecue skewer into the straw like so. Place the hair on the straw about 2 inches away from the beginning and start twisting the hair around the straw about 4 times. Afterwards, I'm going to pull the tip of the barbecue skewer out a bit to enable me bend and secure the straw with a bobby pin. Once I do that, I'm just going to continue twisting the hair to the end, just like I did with the previous example, and that's it. For me, I took off the barbecue skewer and used it for the remaining pink straws, and as you can see, the results were the same on the purple straw and the pink straw. To set and lock the curls, I'm going to add in some conditioner to reduce the amount of frizz. Let the hair sit in very hot water for about a minute. Take the hair out and apply some hairspray while the hair is still hot, to add some shine and luster, and let the hair dry overnight. So to achieve the loose curly hair, I'm going to use small flexi rods. To curl the hair, I'm going to take a good sized amount of hair, similar to the size that you would use if you're going for medium to large box braids. Place it about 2 inches away from the tip of the flexi rods like so. Wrap the hair about 4 times. And bend the flexi rod to secure the hair from unraveling. Once I've secured the hair, I'm going to continue twisting the hair around the flexi rod like so. Let it sit in hot water and let it air dry overnight. I got a pack of these at my local beauty supply store for 500 naira, which is less than $1, and the link to the flexi rods as well as the straws will be in the description box down below. it's time to install the hair, and for each twist I'm going to be using a DIY water wave hair, of course, from one straw. And for the loose curly hair, I'm going to unravel the hair from the flexi rod and take out a small amount of hair like so. To attach the hair, I'll be using my crochet hook and I'm going to slide it underneath the hair like so. Next, I'm going to place my DIY water wave hair in the crochet needle and pull it about a quarter length to the other side. Place my finger in the middle of the hair and pull out one part of the hair. Next, I'm going to slide the crochet hook underneath the hair again like so. Take out a small section of the loose curly hair and place it on the crochet hook. And then I'm going to pull the hair to the other side and adjust the length of the hair such that one side is longer than the other. Next, I'm going to place one part of the DIY water wave hair and one part of the curly hair. One side, my hair in the middle, and on the other side, I'm going to have the other part of the water wave hair and the loose curly hair as well. And I'm going to start braiding the hair down. Now once I braid the hair about an inch, I'm going to start twisting the hair like so. After twisting the hair for about 3 to 5 times, I'm going to take out the longer part of the loose curly hair, place it away and continue twisting the rest of the hair. As I'm twisting, I'm also borrowing hair from, any side that feels bigger than the other like so. And this is just going to prevent the hair from unraveling when I'm done. I'm going to continue twisting the hair like so to the end, and yay, my boho passion twist is ready. So I'm going to let you guys see one or two more examples, and then I'll show you guys how I do the crochet part in the middle of my head. Braiding hair costs about $2.30. So because I use 2 packs, everything costs about $4.60. All right. Pro tip is to ensure that the shorter side of the loose curly hair is the same length as your DIY water wave hair. And guys, this is just going to ensure that once you're done twisting your hair, the loose curly hair is going to be the same length as your passion twist hair. If this is your first time here, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. You will love it here because in my channel I show you guys how you can do trendy hairstyles for less than $3, $4, $5. Okay, so make sure you hit that subscribe button if you want to be part of the gang that slays their hair for less than $3. Okay,
this is for my babies. My beautiful baby.
If I was to buy several packs of already made water wave or passion twist hair and the curly piece hair as well, I would have spent nothing less than $50 to $70 to achieve this hairstyle, which is okay for me. Not to mention how much it would have cost me if I was to go to a professional hairstylist to get this hair installed. But because I know that there are a lot of people out there who are struggling and really want to look good, fashionable, want to look the part and do not have that type of money to spend, I decided to do this for them.
You and me, so no now. You know how to put on makeup every day, and I love your natural hair that way. Pretty in the world is your smiling face, 'cause baby I love is natural.
So because I didn't feel like doing cornrows in the middle of my hair, I was just looking for the lazy way out. I just did the rubber band method, and I felt this would be helpful for those of you who don't know how to cornrow your hair. All I did was section my hair, tie down the section with a rubber band, part another section below the one that I had just tied the previous section together with the section below it. I literally kept connecting the hair like so until I was done with the hair in the middle. So at this point, I decided to place both the water wave hair and the curly hair piece together in the crochet hook instead of attaching them one after the other like I did with the previous examples. And doing this drastically cut the installation time by more than half. This is what I should have done from the very first install, and I felt so mad at myself. Okay, so pro tip: make sure you hold both the water wave hair and the loose curly hair together in the middle and adjust the length of the curly hair like so before placing the hair in your crochet hook, and you'll be done in no time. Okay. So as you can see, because I had no hair out, all I did was twist the hair about 1 to 2 inches after attaching the hair to my hair, took out the longer side of the curly piece and secured it away like so, and then I went ahead to twist the rest of the hair to the end. As I was twisting, I also borrowed hair from any part that I felt was too big, and this just ensures that your hair doesn't unravel. So once again, if you found this video really helpful and you've been watching my videos and you aren't subscribed, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and most importantly, turn on the notification bell. Babe, just take it as we all say in Love It. Thank you so much. Here's your hug and your kisses, and I love you.
Not today, I can't have fun. Too busy trying to figure out how to make my dreams become reality. That's what I chase. Every day I'm older than the last, and I don't have the time to waste. So just maybe one day, baby, we'll be there.
So guys, at this point your girl was done, and I was just blushing at how beautiful the hair turned out. I went ahead and laid down my edges using She's Bomb Glue and Eco Styler Gel, and mixing these two together will have your edges on fleek and unmovable. Because I also suffer from severe dandruff, I went ahead and applied my Dr. Miracle's healing and setting lotion to my scalp, and this has been a game changer. I had this hair in for a month and my hair was non-flaky. Alright, next I applied my ORS olive oil styling mist to add shine to the hair and tied it down. If you have dandruff and you would like to see my dandruff natural hair wash day routine, please comment down below and I'll definitely film that tutorial for you guys. Now, to keep the curly hair from tangling, I went ahead and sprayed the hair with my Vital, is it Vital or Vitally? I don't know, but whatever. I went ahead and sprayed the hair with my Vital olive oil leave-in conditioner, and for the final touch I went ahead and sprayed the hair with some hair sheen from Cream of Nature, and I really love the smell. And guys, I'm telling you, when I was done with all of this, my hair was slaying on another level.
When this game on, I gotta get my doses still on. Get my pay these bills on. I gotta get my Jasper Sawyer on. Don't say my name, say your own. I gotta get.
At night, all I did was put the hair in a messy bun like so and tied it down with this satin scarf that I got from AliExpress about 4 years ago, okay? And this routine kept my hair almost completely tangle free for about a month. So here's what the hair looks like after I had it installed for about a month. At this point, I had rocked the hell out of this hair and I knew it was time to let go. All I did was trace the end point of my natural hair, and once I found the point where my natural hair stopped, I moved my fingers down about 4 inches and cut the hair. Once I cut the hair, I went ahead and unraveled the hair like so. And also separated my natural hair from the passion twist and the curly hair. Next, I pulled out the passion twist hair and the curly hair like so. took out the rubber band, and that was it. So for the middle part of my hair that I secured with rubber bands, all I did was cut the passion twist hair about 2 inches away from my hair, pulled out the remaining piece of the water wave hair and the curly hair like so, and that was all. This hairstyle was really easy and I got so many amazing compliments that made me really happy, and if I can do it, then you can do it as well. So I hope you guys found this tutorial helpful. If you haven't subscribed to my channel up till now, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Spam the comment section with any hairstyle you'd like me to recreate, and also don't forget to like and share this video with your friends, your family, your loved ones, and I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Till then, bye guys.